I just don't see where Cardano has had much of an impact at all. They got their smart contracts a year ago, and that was going to be the inflection point. Inflect away, Cardano. I just have not seen it, the Shark Tank investor Mark Cuban has said. Mark Cuban has just exposed Cardano's weakness, but it looks like he hinted about its strengths as well. Without further ado, let's get into the video to find out. And be sure to watch this video until the end to not miss out on a single thing. Cardano has not been quite impressive, and it seems like it only prides itself in the smart contracts functionality, which was gotten a year ago. This situation propelled the Shark Tank investor to talk about it. Mark Cuban has built a reputation as an avid cryptocurrency investor and self-proclaimed Ethereum maximalist. He owns a few cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens and has invested in a few blockchain companies. The general cryptocurrency market is still witnessing flashes of failed and struggling projects amid a rough downturn that has left investors fearful over what is to come. Mark Cuban sees extinction. In stocks and crypto, you will see companies that were sustained by cheap, easy money, but didn't have valid business prospects disappear. Like Warren Buffett says, when the tide goes out, you get to see who's swimming naked, he stated. After the Terra ecosystem hit the rocks, it became nearly worthless, and there has been a ripple effect throughout the space. Celsius Network, one of the largest cryptocurrency lending platforms, also halted withdrawals and sparked fears of bankruptcy. The prominent cryptocurrency fund, Three Arrows Capital, also faced insolvency after $400 million in liquidations. Despite the negative market sentiment, Cuban said he expects innovation to come out of the crypto market downturn as well. Disruptive applications and technology released during a bear market, whether stocks or cryptos or any business, will always find a market and succeed, he said. Cuban added that cryptocurrencies are related to the Nasdaq, which has proven true in recent months. For example, tech stocks and Bitcoin moved in tandem lately. The correlation between the Nasdaq 100 and Bitcoin was recently near all-time highs. If rates go up, it will struggle till it is priced in. The exception, as with stocks, is for new game-changing applications, he concluded. Cryptocurrency seems to be in Mark Cuban's good books as he sees a silver lining despite the recent crash. This makes investors wonder why Cardano is an exception. Is there some kind of unknown history? According to Mark Cuban, the Securities and Exchange Commission regulating how cryptocurrencies are registered will be nothing short of a nightmare. The billionaire star of Shark Tank and owner of the Dallas Mavericks tweeted that sentiment over the weekend following a tweet from Senator Patrick Toomey, who criticized the SEC. In court filings, the SEC claimed that at least 9 cryptocurrencies considered unregistered securities were being traded on Coinbase's exchange. Toomey believed it would have been better if the SEC clarified what entails a digital asset being classified as a security before charging the individuals. The senator added that the SEC's actions will pose a challenge for investors and innovators to comply with laws and regulations due to the lack of transparency or clarity. Think it is bad? Wait till you see what they come up with for registrations of tokens, Mark Cuban said. The billionaire entrepreneur believes Cardano is not a successful cryptocurrency yet, due to its low transaction volume, among other things. During a recent interview with Altcoin Daily, Mark Cuban said Cardano is not just there yet when it comes to impacting the cryptocurrency space. He criticized Cardano from a business perspective. Applying the same lens as he would for business pitches on Shark Tank, Cuban said that there needs to be a there, implying that the blockchain has failed to live up to its expectations. Justifying his claims, he said that the bellwether of success for him is the number of transactions, and Cardano falls short on this metric compared to other popular blockchains. You can go to Coinmetrics, you can go to all these different places and look for the transactions. And I guess people in Africa are not using it as much as they expected because you don't see the transactions, you don't see the fees. Data from Messari showed the daily Cardano transactions for the last month, which ranged between 52,900 and 93,409. This was in contrast with Bitcoin, whose transactions ranged between 198,000 and 283,000 over the same period. These values further strengthened Cuban's claims, and he pointed out that he was yet to see Cardano rise to challenge and make an impact, which is all the more relevant considering smart contracts have been live for a year. Also, when he was asked about what advice he'd give to the project's founder, Charles Hoskinson, if he pitched on Shark Tank, Cuban replied, "Where is your revenue?" He explained that he would ask that question since just because it is crypto doesn't mean you don't need revenues. Cuban proceeded to talk about the distortion in crypto, which is known as market cap. He said that once there is a small float, it is enough to get the price up, and there is a total number available from the treasury at 1 billion. You make it a $10 token, and now you have a $10 billion total market cap. He said that the issue of the distorted market caps is not solely an issue of Cardano, acknowledging Doge's coin $9.3 billion market cap and Shiba Inu's $6.7 billion market cap. I still think Doge has got more applications potentially available to it than Cardano, he said, adding that he believes the opportunity for Cardano is greater, at least until Dogecoin also becomes a platform for applications. It is still a business, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, no matter how you position it, no matter what your market cap is, there has to be some there, he said. Despite the adoption struggles for Cardano, Mark Cuban noted that the door is open for the network to see an uptick in use if it can launch a popular decentralized application that excites the users and helps the protocol generate more revenue. Notwithstanding, Cardano investors see him as a strong critic of the blockchain. Recently, the billionaire entrepreneur is facing a class action lawsuit over his promotions of the bankrupt crypto brokerage firm Voyager Digital. This was after he expressed his views about Cardano. So could this be karma? The Moskowitz law firm filed a civil lawsuit in the United States District Court in Southern Florida against Cuban for promoting Voyager's unregulated crypto products. The lawsuit demanded a jury hearing for this case. The lawsuit alleged that Mark Cuban also misrepresented the firm on numerous occasions, making dubious claims of it being cheaper than competitors and offering commission-free trading services. Cuban, along with Voyager Digital CEO Stefan Ehrlich, leveraged their years of experience into investing their life savings in what they called a Ponzi scheme, according to the lawsuit. Cuban and Ehrlich went to great lengths to use their experience as investors to dupe millions of Americans into investing, in many cases their life savings, into the deceptive Voyager platform and purchasing Voyager Earn Programs accounts, which are unregistered securities. The lawsuit further alleged that Cuban continues to hype Voyager's products and push retail investors to invest in it despite knowing about it. He went on record calling the Voyager platform as close to risk-free as you're going to get in the crypto. Voyager was one of the many crypto lenders to Three Arrows Capital that went bust after insolvency. The crypto lending firm paused trading activity and withdrawals on July 1st and eventually filed for bankruptcy. Over 3.5 million American customers have nearly $5 billion in cryptocurrency assets frozen on the platform. Mark Cuban has not commented on the lawsuit, but everyone remembers that he was the billionaire who made several statements about cryptocurrencies, where Cardano was hit particularly hard. Moving forward, the Cardano network is currently in the process of preparing for its Vassal hard fork, which has been delayed twice due to the discovery of unanticipated bugs. IOHK, the development team behind the advancement and promotion of Cardano, is yet to announce the final and scheduled date for the release, but the price of ADA is expected to respond positively once the official hard fork is revealed. Charles Hoskinson explained that they have to fix the bugs and then go back to verify that it has truly been fixed. This implies that they have to go through the entire testing pipeline once more, which will take a great deal of time. Shocking progression and astonishing results debunk every form of negative sentiment and opinions. Investors should keep their eyes on Cardano's going forward, as it is set to accomplish something massive, which will be felt through the entire crypto space. But what are your hopes for Cardano? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And make sure to drop a thumbs up that this video deserves. If you don't want to miss out on the future important updates, then be sure to click on the subscribe and notification button so that you can be notified immediately when we upload a new video on ADA News. Until then, you can watch our other videos to find out how ADA got here, and we'll see you in the next video.